If you're looking for an easy weeknight dinner that's on the table in less than 30 minutes, I've got you covered. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm showing you how to make an easy skillet gnocchi with peas. This light lemony dish is pure comfort food, and you make it all in one skillet. Be sure to grab the printable recipe in the video description below. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to get our gnocchi going is I need to melt some butter in a skillet. And we're doing the whole recipe in this single skillet. So we're gonna get that melted. Okay, so to our melted butter, we're going to add a package of fresh gnocchi. Now, I like to use fresh rather than frozen. I think it preserves the texture better. And we're just going to toast these a bit in the butter for about 10 minutes. You just want them to get a nice golden color. Okay, so you want to watch. These do go fast. Mine got a little extra toasty because I wasn't paying attention. We're going to add some garlic and some thyme. Now, to get the thyme, I like to use fresh. You just go the opposite way that the leaves are growing on the stem, and that will pull the thyme leaves off. Fresh thyme is one of my favorites. I just love the flavor from it. Oh, you can smell it as soon as it hits the pan. Delish. Now, if you don't have the fresh, you can use the dried, and that will be, the equivalent will be in the printable recipe. Okay, we're gonna give that a quick toss. And then to this, we're going to add our chicken stock. We're gonna add our chicken stock. Oh, this smells so good. And then to that, we're going to add a little bit of our all-purpose seasoning. Get everything seasoned up nice. And we're going to let this simmer for about 3 minutes or so. Okay, we see our sauce has thickened up nice. Some of that starch is coming off the gnocchi, which thickens the chicken stock up. Oh, and it smells incredible. Okay, next up, we are going to add some peas. So these are just frozen peas that I've thawed in the fridge. You could steam them if you forgot to thaw them, which I do a lot. Okay, and we're just going to let this heat through for a few minutes. Doesn't need long at this point. We're almost done. Okay, this is looking perfect. Our sauce has really thickened up quite a bit. Just a couple more quick ingredients and we're gonna be ready to dive in. So I'm going to add a bit of lemon zest to this. It's really going to brighten it up. You only need about a teaspoon or so. This is where you get all that good lemony flavor. You think it comes from the juice, but really it's from the zest. Okay, and most of it sticks to the back of the rasp. Perfect. And then we are going to use about the juice from half of this lemon. I just like to squeeze it over my hands because then my fingers can kind of act as a sieve to catch the seeds. So I just kind of part my fingers just a little bit so the juice can drip through. But yet all those seeds end up right in your fingers. Back into the lemon. Get that, oh, spring comfort food. Comfort food for the seasons. Okay, last but not least, well, second to last but not least, we're gonna add a little bit more butter. That's just gonna give this a little bit more richness and coat those gnocchi. Oh. So I'm going to hit it with just a little bit more of the all-purpose seasoning. I just feel like it needs a little more. Okay. Turn the heat off. All right, so I just took our gnocchi off the heat. One final thing is some fresh grated Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna put a little bit in the skillet, but not too much because I like to serve it with some too. You just want a little, that, oh, I can't wait. Just look at how easy this was to put together. You can whip this up in less time than it takes to get takeout. Plus, there's only one skillet to clean. Alrighty, we're gonna go in and give this a try because it smells amazing. Now make sure you get a little bit of everything. The pillowy, soft gnocchi, that hit of lemon, that little bit of garlic. This skillet gnocchi with peas is definitely a keeper. You won't believe how incredibly easy this was to make. There's so many great 30-minute skillet recipes out there. I have a delicious gnocchi and Parmesan cream sauce recipe that you can make in under 30 minutes. You don't want to miss it. You can check it out here. I'll see you over there.